Hi guys, welcome back to Kagri Music Tutor. Today we're learning how to play the chords. So it's on page 17, lesson 35. So we're doing lesson 33 and 34. So let's just learn how to hold, how your finger is placed when you're doing the chords. So C chord first, you hold it like this. So you see your fingers. So you put your finger on C here, then you put one here and here. And you can see the finger placement in the book too. And it's supposed to sound like this. Cool, right? Now, G7. It's a little similar. You just move it away. So you move it one down and you move this one here. Like that. And you also see it in your book. And it sounds a little something like this. Now that you're a little bit familiar, you can pause and try to figure out how to play it by yourself. But I'm just gonna get right into it. So lesson 35, let's go. So we're gonna have a slow pace for this one, because not everybody can do it fast. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So good. Now, there are different ways you can play it. So you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm just playing. It's like this.